Hello friends and my dear students. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can find out the HCF of two given numbers by using Euclid's division algorithm. How you can find out the HCF if you have two numbers. Here we are going to tell you, suppose we have two numbers. First is 10 and the second is 35. How you have to find out the HCF of these two numbers? First we have to take the greater of the two numbers. Here you can see that 35, it is the greater number. It is taken equal to A. It means it can be taken, it can be considered as dividend. And the smaller number 10, it can be taken as the divisor. Now we have to divide this 35 by another number 10 and we will try to get remainder. If the remainder is 0, then the divisor is the required HCF of these two numbers. And if the remainder is not 0, then we have to go on moving, adopting the same method. And we will go on using the same method until we get the remainder 0. As soon as we get the remainder 0, at that time the divisor is the HCF of these two numbers. You can understand this thing by giving here an example. Suppose we have taken 35. It is the dividend. 10 is the divisor. When we divide 35 by 10, we have remainder 5. And you see that remainder is not 0. Now we have to go to the next step. Now remainder works just like divisor, and the divisor of the first step, it should be taken as dividend. Again we do the same process and we have the remainder 0. So when we have the remainder 0, the divisor 5, it is the required HCF. It can be put in the equation like here, like this. A is equal to BQ plus R. 35, A is equal to 35. So we can keep here 35 is equal to 10 multiplied by 3 plus 5. You can take this equation from this division, and in the next step, R10 it becomes the dividend and 5 it becomes the divisor, and we get equation 2 and the remainder is 0. So you see that in the last step 5 it is the divisor, and by this 5 divisor we have remainder 0. So this 5 is the required HCF of these two numbers. I hope that you have understood it properly. Thanks.